Hungry in Japan but can't read the menu? These 10 food and drink words will save you at any store. Let's go. Hey friend, welcome back to Easy Japanese Talk. I'm Mia, and I'm here with
ヒロです。こんにちは。
Hiro. And if you're new here, welcome. We're so glad you found us. We're making Japanese learning fun and natural. Just conversations. No boring textbooks. So, where are we at? We've covered greetings in episode 1, how to introduce yourself in episode 2, those super important words like arigato and sumimasen in episode 3, counting and numbers in episode 4, and family vocabulary in episode 5. You're building real skills here. Oh, and real quick, if you're enjoying these lessons, go ahead and click subscribe. We put out new episodes regularly, and trust me, you'll want to catch them all. Plus, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Where are you watching from? What made you want to learn Japanese?
Yes, tell us.
Today is going to be delicious. Literally. We're learning food and drink vocabulary because when you're in Japan, you need to eat and drink, right? And wouldn't it be nice to actually know what you're ordering? Hiro, what's on the menu today?
食べ物、飲み物, food and drinks.
Tabemono and nomimono, food and drinks. By the end of today, you'll be able to walk into any Japanese store and actually understand what you're looking at. No more mystery shopping. Ready? Let's dive in. All right, basics first. The word for food in Japanese is tabemono. Hiro?
食べ物
Tabemono. Let me break it down. Tabemono. Try saying it with me. Tabemono.
食べ物
Nice. And drinks, that's nomimono.
飲み物
Nomimono. Same pattern. No, mi, mo, no. Your turn. Nomimono.
飲み物
Perfect. So tabemono is food, nomimono is drinks. Those are your category words. But let's get to the good stuff. Actual food you'll see everywhere. First up, rice. Rice is everywhere in Japan. It's the foundation of so many meals. The word is gohan. Now, here's something interesting. Gohan can mean both rice and meal in general. Listen to Hiro.
Gohan,
Gohan. Say it with me. Gohan.
gohan.
Great. So when someone says, let's eat gohan, they could mean rice specifically, or just let's eat. Context matters, but either way, you'll know they're talking about food. Now, what's the most famous Japanese food? Sushi. You definitely know this one, but let's say it properly.
寿司
Sushi. Easy, right? Say it. Sushi.
寿司
Love it. Next, ramen. Those amazing noodles and soup. In Japanese, we stretch that A sound. Listen.
ラーメン
Ramen. Hear that? Ra-a-men. Try it. Ramen.
ラーメン
Excellent. Now, bread. Super simple. Pun.
パン
Pun. That's it. Say it. Pun.
パン
Perfect. And one more for this round. Fish. Fish is huge in Japanese cuisine. The word is sakana.
魚
Sakana. Break it down. Sa-ka-na. Try it. Sakana.
魚
Beautiful. Okay, quick check. What's rice?
ご飯
Gohan. And sushi?
寿司
Sushi. Ramen?
ラーメン
Bread?
パン
Fish?
魚
Yes! 5 food words down. Now, let's quench that thirst with some drink vocabulary. Most important one. Water. You need this one. Mizu.
水
Mizu. Say it. Mizu.
水
Good. Now, tea. You'll see tea everywhere in Japan. Vending machines, restaurants, stores. The word is ocha.
お茶
Ocha. Try it. Ocha.
お茶
Excellent. Coffee? Kohi. Notice we stretch that o. Listen.
コーヒ
Kohi. Slowly. Ko-o-hi-e. Say it. Kohi.
ーコーヒ
Perfect. Want something sweet? Juice is jusu. Sounds familiar, right?
ージュース
Jusu. Your turn. Jusu.
ジュース
Nice. And last one, milk. 牛乳.
牛乳
牛乳. This one's trickier. Listen. 牛乳. Try it. 牛乳.
牛乳
Awesome. Quick review. Water,
水
tea,
お茶
coffee,
コーヒ
juice,
ージュース
milk.
牛乳
Yes, 10 words total. 5 foods, 5 drinks. You're officially ready to navigate Japanese food labels.
すごい Amazing
Now, let's talk about where you'll actually use these. Picture this. You're in Japan. You walk into a Konbini, a convenience store. Have you heard about these places?
Konbini, 7-Eleven, Family Mart, Lawson.
Exactly. Konbini are literally everywhere in Japan. They're incredible. Quality food, drinks, snacks, magazines, everything. And get this, they're open 24 hours. So you walk in, hungry, and you see rice balls. In Japanese, rice balls are called onigiri.
おにぎり
Onigiri. These things are everywhere in Konbini, and honestly, they're delicious. Say it. Onigiri.
おにぎり
Good. So you grab an onigiri, that's gohan, rice. Maybe you want some pun, bread. You grab a bottle of ocha, tea. You head to the counter. You didn't even need to speak much, but you knew exactly what you were getting.
簡単 Easy
Super easy. Now let's level up even more. Okay, konbini are perfect for quick stuff. But what if you're actually staying in Japan for a bit? You'll want to hit up a supermarket. Let's learn some words for that. Fruit, kudamono.
果物
Kudamono. Say it slowly. Kudamono. Try it. Kudamono.
果物
Great. And vegetables? Yasai.
野菜
Yasai. Say it. Yasai.
野菜
Perfect. So you're at a supermarket, you need fruit and vegetables. Look for kudamono, that's your apples, oranges, bananas. Look for yasai, carrots, lettuce, tomatoes. Easy.
スーパースーパーマーケット
Right. And here's something I love about Japanese food culture. Presentation matters so much. When you go to a Japanese supermarket or konbini, everything looks beautiful. The fruit is perfect. The rice balls are wrapped like little gifts. It's not just food, it's an art.
はい日本の文化 Japanese culture
Exactly. And like I mentioned, konbini are 24 hours. Midnight craving? No problem. Early morning before your flight? They've got you. It's so convenient for travelers.
おいしい delicious
And the quality is legit. Now, 2 more words you absolutely need. Egg, tamago.
卵
Tamago. Say it. Tamago.
卵
Good. And meat, niku.
肉
Niku. Try it. Niku.
肉
Excellent. So if you need eggs, look for tamago. Need meat, look for niku. You'll see these words on signs.
はい Yes
Now, shopping means prices, right? In Japan, the currency is yen, in Japanese. If something costs 100 yen, you'll see 100 yen. Hiro?
100円100 yen
100 yen, 100 yen. Water might be 100 yen. Onigiri might be 120. Coffee maybe 150. These are your typical prices.
安い Cheap Good price
Pretty reasonable. Now, here's a phrase that'll save you constantly. If you want to say this one, just point and say kore.
これ
Kore. Say it. Kore.
これ
Perfect. So you're at a konbini, you see something you want, just point and say kore. This one. You don't even need to know what it's called.
はい簡単 Easy
Let's practice. I'm a konbini clerk. Hiro's shopping. Ready? いらっしゃいませ. Welcome.
すみませんこれお願いします
He said, すみません. これお願いします. Excuse me, this one, please. Perfect. Oh, you want this onigiri? Sure, 200 yen.
ありがとうございます
どういたしまして. See that? すみません。これ、お願いします. Those three things get you anything. Now, remember episode 4? We learned how to ask how much. Let's use that. If you want to ask a price, you say,
いくらですか?
いくらですか? How much is this? Super handy. Let's flip it. I'm shopping, Hiro's the clerk. すみません。
はい。
これ、いくらですから?
100円です。100 yen。
ありがとうございます。
どういたしまして。
Nice! Notice how we're stacking skills? Sumimasen from episode 3, arigato from episode 3, numbers from episode 4, and now food words from today. It all connects. Remember those tsu counters from episode 4? Works with food too. 2 onigiri. Hiro?
おにぎり2つ。
Onigiri futatsu. 3 apples?
りんご3つ。
Ringo mitsu. See? Item, then number with tsu. Now, let's do a full shopping trip. You're at a supermarket making dinner. What do you buy? Hiro, show us.
ご飯、rice。
Gohan. Good.
野菜、vegetables。
Yasai. What else?
魚、fish。
Sakana. More?
卵、eggs。
Tamago. Perfect meal. Rice, vegetables, fish, eggs. You're cooking Japanese tonight.
料理、cooking。
Yes, and speaking of cooking, next episode we're taking all this to a restaurant. You'll learn how to order, ask questions, and eat like a local.
レストラン、restaurant。Next time.
Can't wait! But first, let's drill everything one more time. All right, drill time. I'll say English, you say Japanese with Hiro. Let's go fast. Food,
食べ物、
drinks,
飲み物、
rice,
ご飯、
sushi,
寿司、
ramen,
ラーメン、
bread,
パン、
fish,
魚、
water,
水、
tea,
お茶、
coffee,
コーヒ
juice,
ー、ジュース、
milk.
牛乳、
Excellent. Bonus round. Fruit,
果物、
vegetables,
野菜、
egg,
卵、
meat,
肉、
rice ball.
おにぎり、
This.
これ。
Amazing. Let's do one final full scenario. Complete Konbini trip. I'm the clerk, Hiro's the customer. Here we go. Irashaimase. Welcome.
こんにちは。すみません。
Yes, can I help?
おにぎりいくつありますか？
Onigiri ikutsu arimasu ka? How many onigiri do we have? Tons. How many do you want?
2つお願いします。水も1つ。
2つお願いします。水も1つ。2 onigiri and 1 water. Anything else?
いいえ、これで。いくらですか？
いいえ、これで。いくらですか? No, that's it. How much? 300 yen total.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます. Have a great day.
ありがとうございます。
Perfect. That's a real conversation. Notice what Hiro used? Konnichiwa from episode 1, sumimasen and arigato from episode 3, numbers and counters from episode 4, food words from today. It all builds.
できた！ You did it!
You really did. Now, your homework this week. Go to your kitchen. Right now or later, doesn't matter. Look at everything. See your rice? Say gohan. See your bread? Say pan. See your water? Say mizu. Make these words yours.
いい練習。Good practice.
The absolute best practice. Want to go hardcore? Write these words on sticky notes. Slap them on your food items. Seriously, immersion works. All right, before we go, 3 quick things. First, if you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. It helps other learners discover us. And honestly, it just makes my day to know this is working for you.
お願いします。
Second, I really want to hear from you. Drop a comment and tell me your favorite Japanese food. Have you tried authentic ramen, sushi, those konbini onigiri? Or maybe there's something you're curious about. Let me know. Third, make sure you're following along. Next time is episode 7. We're going to a restaurant. You'll learn how to order, ask about menu items, pay the bill, everything. We're taking all this food vocabulary and putting it into action.
レストラン、楽しみ。
I'm so excited. And hey, we're building some downloadable resources for you too. Vocab sheets, practice exercises, all that good stuff. If there's something specific you'd like, shout it out in the comments. You crushed it today. Food vocab, drink vocab, shopping skills. You can actually survive in Japan now, and we're just getting started.
またね、皆さん。
じゃあね